In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Mobirise for free. By the end, you'll have the installer downloaded and the app set up on your Windows computer ready to explore. Mobirise is a free, beginner-friendly website builder that lets you create simple, responsive sites without coding. It's great for quick landing pages, portfolios, and small business sites, and the core app is free to use, with optional paid themes and extensions if you want to upgrade later. First, make sure you're on a Windows computer with a stable internet connection and have a few hundred megabytes of free storage. Then open your web browser and go to the official Mobirise website. You can type the address directly or search for it, but be sure you land on the genuine site. Look for the secure connection indicator in your browser and the familiar branding so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, find the button that says Download for Windows. The site usually detects your operating system automatically, so the Windows option should be front and center. Click that button and your browser will start downloading the installer. If your browser asks whether to save or keep the file, choose Save. The file you're getting is an executable installer, typically named something like mobirisesetup.exe. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows shows a security or permission prompt, choose Yes to allow the installer to make changes. The setup window will open. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select your language if prompted, read and accept the license agreement, choose an install location if you want something other than the default, and then click Install. The process only takes a minute or two depending on your system. When it completes, leave the option to create a desktop shortcut turned on if you want quick access, and click Finish to close the installer. You can now launch Mobirise from the desktop shortcut or from the Start menu. On first launch, give it a moment to initialize. From here, you're set to start exploring the free features and building your first project. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the download doesn't start after you click the button, wait a few seconds and try again, or check for a small prompt near your browser's address bar. If you can't find the installer after downloading, open your browser's downloads list to reveal it in your file manager. That's it. You went to the official site, clicked Download for Windows, and used the exe file to install Mobirise for free. Enjoy building.